If you're thinking of setting up a business, brace yourself, because Companies House has just confirmed that from the 1st of February 2026, fees are going up. And some of these rises are actually quite shocking. The digital incorporation fee, the fee you pay just to register your company online, is jumping from £50 to £100. Yep, that's a 100% increase for what is already a pricey bit of admin. And it doesn't even stop there. The annual confirmation statement fee, which is the one you have to file every year just to tell Companies House that yes, your company still exists and no, nothing has changed, is also increasing from £34 to £50. And if you're one of those brave souls still filing on paper, that will now cost you £110. Even a simple name change could set you back £85 if you want it processed the same day. Companies House claim that it's all about cost recovery, so in theory, that would be covering the cost of the new systems, the ID checks, and the enforcement powers coming under the Economic Crime and Corporate Transparency Act. Yes, a bit of a mouthful. Yet doubling fees across the board feels like a big ask for small business owners already battling rising costs left, right, and centre. And here's where some people are getting suspicious. Is this really just about cost recovery? Or is there something else going on? Because when you double the cost of forming a limited company, you start to make sole trader route look a lot more appealing, and sole traders, of course, pay income tax and national insurance on their profits, which can often mean more revenue for HMRC. Suspicious. It might not be a deliberate push, but it certainly feels like the limited company structure, which was once the go-to tax-efficient route for small businesses, is being made less attractive year by year. Call it coincidence if you like, a very convenient revenue-generating coincidence. And let's be honest here, 100% price hike on what is basically a digital form feels like a bold move from an agency not exactly known for its cutting-edge service. Let's just say if they're charging double, we're hoping for at least a slick new portal, fewer errors, and maybe a faster response time. Let's see. So my advice to you is that if you're planning to set up a new company, it might be worth doing it before February 2026, because come next year, that same incorporation will literally cost twice as much. And speaking of budgeting carefully, with the autumn budget coming up and Rachel Reeves sharpening her pencil as we speak, this is just the beginning. Look, if you found this video super useful, please make sure you check out this video. Is small businesses being unfairly targeted by HMRC's tax tactics? Are we being attacked? And quite frankly, what is happening about corporate and large businesses? Are they paying the appropriate amount of tax, I wonder? I doubt it.